So he's over here at KFC. He's gonna order, and that's a counter over there. So we see what he's gonna order.
It's a lion tooth.
It's not a lion tooth.
Yes, it is.
Okay, go order. I'll show them the menu. That's the menu up there. See the kind of pop they have is a bottle. Oh, crushers. Don't even know what that is. They have Oreo. Alright, we're gonna see what he's gonna order. Very good.
And I forgot what a person.
That's a menu over there.
Ice cream.
Those prices are not in dollars. But you see they are $14.50. That's $14.50. 2,300. That's $20. 130. That's $1.30. That's for pop. The 100, 160. That's $1.60. So that's their menu. It's in Kenyan money, shillings. Peace out.